Camouflage mode, he
jammed the camera down right in its face, so to speak,
prompting it to go from camouflage to a startle defense.
Blanching white very quickly.
And then inking him.
But I followed the animal and finished the dive, and I popped to the surface. It was only about 5 feet deep, and I screamed bloody murder, and they thought I was having a dive accident.
When actually he was having...
It was a eureka moment, there's no doubt about it.
And that's because Hanlon is trying to understand just how camouflage works.
No animal comes even close to the speed and diversity of appearances of this animal.
And they have a few tricks at their disposal. Octopus and cuttlefish can change their skin texture.
This is the only visual perception question.
And of course, they change color. So here's an octopus
doing what we call the moving rock trick.
I'm a rock, I'm a rock. Now watch this.
So the amazing thing is that these animals are colorblind, yet they are capable of creating color-matched patterns. But we don't know how.
But of course Hanlon would like to. And one way he's studying this is by looking closely at squid.
Color change is no problem. Time to move on.
Octopus, but it could morph its shape in an instant to appear as seemingly any animal around it. At first, no one had any idea what it was.
The first time I saw it pulls all its arms around behind its body and swims along like a poisonous flatfish called a banded sole. In other cases, if it's getting attacked, it puts 6 arms down a hole and raises the other 2 arms to look like a poisonous sea snake that has bands along its body. Swim along looking like a poisonous lionfish with these banded arms looking like the banded spines that come off these very deadly fish.
These are known to be in the mimic. He observed this mimic scuttling along the sea bottom, looking something like a furry turkey with human legs.
Sometimes it's hard when you watch a mimic octopus doing